Hello, my name is Denise Easton, and along with Barb Siegel and Alistair Brett, we are the Awareful Systems Group. We live and work in complex adaptive human ecosystems, and that's where our work happens, and that's where our thinking has emerged. We focus on complexity thinking, ecosystem builder framework, and most importantly, during this weekend, confluent communications. So without further ado, I'd like to turn this over to Barb, who's going to share a little bit of how this happens. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Barb Siegel, and I will be drawing and talking and moving and giving you some idea of how using our body and using visual cues helps with communication.
What is confluent communication? It's a term we conceptualized to reveal how humans engage in complex systems, changing the way knowledge is shared by tapping into the unthought known, intentionally seeking what is known differently. If known, knowledge, experience, can't yet be put into words, it can still be discovered, shared, and acted on. A data-driven approach to decision-making, shared sense-making, and collective performance answers a closed question. We like to go beyond the closed question.
So, how do organizations solve problems? Generally, someone or a group has an idea, and then there's a goal. And we all know that it's kind of hard to get from here to there. So we've created ways of learning by collecting data, having algorithms, and some strategy. And maybe we get there. The issue is that the organization is not what's happening in the computers and the data and the strategy and the algorithms and the machine learning. All of that is only one part of what is going on within an organization. The big part of why one organization is different and does things differently than another are the people who make up the organization. And people are communicating in many, many, many ways all the time. Right now, people are communicating a lot through electronic means, through Zoom, through Slack, through whatever form of communication people have. But there's also information that isn't captured through all of these formal methods of getting data. So what happens when an organization has an idea? What really is going on is that you end up here with all these people. And what most organizations want is they want to make sure that these people help get there. But that's the closed question. That's where you're only trying to answer the closed question and not opening up to current reality and real possibilities. When information or needs or a project or anything enters into the human system, we do not know where it will end up. And perhaps that was the wrong goal. Perhaps that goal solved yesterday's problems. Perhaps what we really need to do is figure out how to capture what's happening here with the people so that we can solve today's goals for tomorrow's needs. That's confluent communication.